In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an issue, specifically a bug, on Jira. If you've ever encountered an unexpected issue while using Jira, documenting it properly is essential for a timely resolution. So let's get started on how you can effectively create a bug report in Jira. To begin, the first thing you'll need to do is log into your Jira account. Once you're in, take a moment to navigate to the specific project where you want this bug to be logged. This is a crucial step, as being in the correct project affects the visibility and management of the issue later on. Ensure you're in the right place before proceeding, as this will streamline the process for everyone involved. Next, within the project interface, look for the button labeled Create, or possibly plus Create Issue. Clicking this will initiate the process of creating a new issue. This button is usually prominently displayed towards the top of your dashboard, so it should be easy to spot. Once you initiate the creation of a new issue, a drop-down menu will appear. Here, you'll need to select Bug, or a similar option that corresponds to the bug issue type in your project. This step is particularly important because it categorizes the issue properly, alerting your team right away that it needs immediate attention. After selecting Bug, you'll be presented with a form where you'll fill out the details of the issue. Start by providing a summary, which essentially serves as the title of your bug report. Aim for something that's both concise and descriptive, as a strong summary offers an immediate understanding of the problem to whoever reads it. Moving on to the description. This is the centerpiece of your bug report. Be as detailed as possible here. Explain what the bug is, provide any necessary step-by-step instructions on how to reproduce it, and clearly describe the expected versus actual behavior. Including screenshots or other attachments can be incredibly helpful, especially for visual bugs or when the issue is complex. These visual aids can clarify any uncertainties and help your team grasp the problem quickly. With the core information in place, it's time to examine other fields available in the form, such as assignee, priority, and components, along with any other metadata your project might require. These fields are vital for helping the team prioritize and assign the right people to resolve the issue. Make sure to fill these fields out in accordance with your project's guidelines or standards. Once you've populated all the necessary fields, take a moment to review your inputs to ensure everything is both accurate and complete. When you're satisfied, click the Create button to finalize the bug report. This action logs it into your project's workflow, ready for your team to address. And that's it. You've just created a bug issue on Jira. By following these steps, you ensure that the issue is documented properly, saving time and effort for your entire team as they work towards a resolution. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be a pro at managing issues in Jira. Thanks for watching, and happy bug reporting.